front of me I've got Opel Insignia. In this video I'll show you how to enter Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Beginning, prepare USB cable. Unfortunately, this car does not support wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Connect USB cable to USB port in your car and then connect it to the smartphone. Unlock the phone and confirm. Confirm on the smartphone and it's done. Thanks to Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, you can go to Maps, Manage Apps, activate Voice Assistant. And that's basically it. If you want to leave Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, select Opel. If you want to enter it back, select Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.